Hi, in this video, I will show you how you can add an outline effect to a picture in Canva. So I have this picture of a woman, and as you can see, there is this thick line surrounding her area. And this is actually a great way to make the picture or to make the element more stand out than the rest. And fortunately, making this effect is quite easy in Canva. Let me show you how. So I'm going to move on to the second page, which is exactly the same picture. This picture actually has a background. And the first thing that you need to do is you have to make the picture to be transparent, aka you want to remove the background so it's only leaving the main subject. If you have a transparent PNG picture from your computer, you could upload it to Canva and you can skip this process. But if you have a regular picture with a background, then you want to remove it first. So click on the image and you can either click BG remover or background remover, or you can also go to the edit section and then click background remover. It's essentially the same thing. So anyway, when it is done, you will see that this image is now clean. There is no background anymore, but sometimes the image might have a rather complicated background. So if that was the case, then you probably want to play around with the erase and restore feature to make sure that the AI or this background remover feature is not accidentally removing the main subject. But if everything is perfect, then we can move on to the next step, which is applying an outline to this picture. So what you need to do now, you have to go to this setting, still in the setting, and navigate to the shadows effect. Click outline. And then here you want to adjust the size. Essentially, this is the thickness of the line. I think I'm going to leave it at 20. And the color is, I guess I'm going to select this color. And intensity is just the transparency level of this effect. But I think I'm going to leave it at 100%. So anyway, that's exactly how you can create an outline effect to a picture in Canva. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you want to see more videos like this, then please subscribe to this channel and I'll see you on the next video.